In this video, we're going to discuss about a command called PS. PS means process status. PS command is used to list the processes that are currently running on your computer on both Linux and Mac operating systems. So when you type in PS, it usually shows the processes that are running on your current shell. The current shell is the terminal session that you are currently using. So how to test the commands that you are running in the background? Just for a simple test, we will use sleep command. So sleep command, it will pause all the commands on the terminal for whatever duration you specify. And you can use that command as an example for testing PS command to show the processes running on the current shell. So how to do that is sleep. Again, sleep command is used to pause all the commands that are going to run on the current shell, right? Sleep, I'm going to pause for 10 seconds, and I'm going to run the PS command here, right? So when I click on enter, now you can see the sleep command is one of the commands that is in pipeline for execution, right? So it's in process. So if you observe here, after 10 seconds, the command got executed, right? So anyway, so the PS command is used to list out all the currently running processes, right? So let's say you wanna see all the processes that are running on your machine, right? So the command that you need to use is PS -ef. So what it does is it will show up every process that is currently running on your machine. So another command that I forgot to mention, not the command, but the headers. When I say headers, these are the headers right here, right? So PID is a unique process ID that is created for each and every process, active process that is running on your machine, right? And TTY is the terminal type that you're using. And then time, the amount of the time, the CPU time, right? So it's in minutes and seconds, of course, and how that is running, right? And the command is the name of the command that you executed, right? That you or the process, the operating system has executed. So again, if you look at, if I use the sleep command, the 10-second command again, so if you observe here, it pretty much executed the same time, and then it's pausing all the commands on your machine for 10 seconds, right? So that is PS. When you go back to PS -ef, so it's going to list everything that is running on your machine right now, right? So you see Google Chrome, which means I have a browser running behind the scenes, whatnot all. So on your machine, you have a music app actually, right? Apple Music, right? You can find it in your Launchpad. You go in there and you can find Apple Music app, right? So I'm going to open the Apple Music app. You might not be able to see it right now, but okay, let me open it and show you, or it might be already there. Let me see here. It might not be here. So let me open it, right? And then execute the command again, right? So I'm opening Apple Music app. So I did open the Apple Music app on my machine. Now I'm executing ps-ef again. So you should be able to see some of the content that shows the music app is now up and running, right? Let's say, obviously it's a massive amount of processes that are running on your machine. Sometimes it's really hard for you to, filter through all the processes, right? So at that point, this is the command I recommend to use is ps-ef, which is the command that you just used, and then space pipe symbol and grep. The grep is the command that you can use to filter a word or a pattern of characters in a file, or or any argument that you pass to it. In this case, what we are doing is we are passing the output of ps-ef to your grep command, right? And we are searching for anything that is related to music, right? Because like I said, we just opened the Apple Music app behind the scenes. So what I'm doing is I'm passing all this output, right? ps-ef output to the grep command. And we are asking the grep command to search for any word within these processes, any word that starts with or that has music in it, right? Music, any kind of process that has music in it. So when you hit enter, now you can see the output is right here. You can see all the processes that are containing the word music, right? So right here, music, right? And in here, there's music, right? So there is everything music is highlighted here, right? So that's how you use ps command. So in real life, right, when you are at work, this is how you use it: ps-ef space type grep, and then the word you want to search within the process, right? Sometimes you search for Java, sometimes you search for other applications that are running on your Mac or Linux machine, right? In this case, again, let me execute music, and it's going to show all the music applications that are all the processes that has music, the word music in them. So let's say you want to kill music app. One way to do that is you can go right click on the music app and click on quit, or you can also do it from here itself. So here I can clearly see that the music app is the process ID for music app is 501, right? So that's what I can clearly see here. So I can execute kill command, kill, and then the PID for that is 501, right? So that's the process. The unique process ID is 501, and then once you hit enter, the process ID is 7484 right here, right? Let me do this again. So in here, the process ID for the MacOS Music app is 7483. Sorry. So now I'm gonna execute kill command, kill 7483, enter, and now the music app is gone, right? So I can see on my machine that the music app is quit. So instead of right clicking and quit, I used the kill command to kill it, right? So try it on your machine as well, and let me know what you think.